This session is about the registration of FIR, the ingredients and evidential value of the same. It will provide you the all basic information about the inherent defects in the registration of the same, the dents which can be cured, and procedure of lodging the FIR. It will also provide you information and legal knowledge about different aspects of FIR. During the session you will be shown an animated video, wherein you will see two prosecution officers discussing about an FIR. One of the officer will be questioning the other officer, and the other prosecution officer will be responding to the same. What is FIR? Its ingredients and evidential value. What are the inherent defects in the registration of the FIR? Whether the dents in the FIR can be rectified at later stages? Why FIR is not a substantial piece of evidence. Can a minor lodge an FIR? Whether an FIR can be registered through an attorney? FIR in non-cognizable offenses? Please explain. Sealing of FIR. Refusal to register the FIR. What to do? Counter FIR. What is this?
I am a senior prosecution officer. Are you a prosecutor?
Yes, sir. I have been recently appointed as assistant public prosecutor.
That's great. This is Code of Criminal Procedure in your hand.
Yes. I am trying to develop my understanding about Section 154 of the code, that is, FIR. Unfortunately, I am struggling with the same. Can you please explain the FIR and its contents?
Yes, sure. As you know, FIR stands for First Information Report. As evident from its abbreviation, that it's only the first information which is being made to the police officer by the complainant, providing the basic and the first-hand information.
Is it a substantial piece of evidence, and can be used as an evidence against the accused?
No. It is not a substantial piece of evidence against the accused. It's only a first information report, which is required to be reported to the police, without consultation and deliberation. It is the duty of the investigation officer to investigate about the veracity of the allegations made in the first information report. It must also be remembered that there should be no overwriting, cutting or erasing in the FIR. It creates doubts. Cuttings or overwritings are the inherent defects which cannot be cured during the investigation phases.
Why FIR is required to be read over to the complainant in his or her native language, and why it should be signed and thumb impressed by the complainant.
This is very important. It is because that the complainant should know and understand about what he has stated. His signature is obtained as a token of his assent thereto.
I think these are the basics of the FIR.
Yes, true. These are the basic ingredients of the FIR.
Oh, great. I have a query in my mind. That, can a second FIR, in respect of same incident, be registered?
This is a wonderful question. Appreciated. Second FIR can be registered of the same version, which is not illegal, however. There are contradictory opinions. Still, second FIRs are being registered.
I have read about the counter FIR.
Counter FIR is restricted to defense version. It is called the second version, or different version of incident, where the accused party comes up with a different story against the complainant party of the earlier FIR.
Can you please explain that? Whether a minor can also lodge an FIR?
Yes, for sure. Provided he has adequate understanding and maturity.
I have heard about cognizable and non-cognizable offenses. I was wondering that, whether an FIR in non-cognizable offense can be registered, and the circumstances under which we can register FIR in non-cognizable offenses.
In non-cognizable offenses, the FIR cannot be registered. However, the information pertaining to non-cognizable offense is entered in another book called Roznamcha, or Station Diary. It is maintained in police station. I would like to add here that, if an accused have also committed a cognizable offense, along with non-cognizable offense, you would love to know that, in such cases, non-cognizable offenses will also become the part of the FIR.
What about FIR against a police officer? Whether it can be registered against him?
Yes. Everyone is equal before the law. In extrajudicial killing cases, or the cases where the death of the accused is caused during interrogation or in cases of torture etc., FIR can be registered against the responsible police officers.
I think I have asked lot of questions. If you allow me to ask few more, so as to satisfy my quest.
Sure.
Thanks, sir. I am grateful. In case if the registration of FIR is refused, what remedy the complainant to have?
He is having the right to approach to the high-ups of the police, or he can also file petition before the Justice of Peace, who are the sessions judges and additional sessions judges. I would like to add on that, in some cases police can seal the FIR. This is normally done in cases of public importance, and the object is that the contents of the FIR are kept confidential. However, this practice of sealing has been declared as illegal and against the law by different courts. I hope that you have gained ample knowledge about the FIR.
Yes. And thank you very much.